In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IP address on your laptop or computer. So there's basically two different types of IP addresses. You have your private IP address and you have your public IP address. So I'm going to show you both of these now. So what you need to do is open up your start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now in this window, type in the word ipconfig and press enter. And then you need to scroll down to this bottom section and you're going to see your IPv4 address. Now this IPv4 address is basically your private IP address. So you will find that this is usually dynamic and it usually changes when you restart your router and things like that. And the second IP address we have is our public IP address. So to go and find your public IP address, and this is the address that's used if you were to get banned, for example, on a certain website or game, then it's your public IP address that's usually the one that's banned. So to go and find this, we just need to open up an internet browser and just type into the search engine, what is my IP address, and press enter. And now if you scroll down the page, you'll see within Google itself, it's going to tell you your public IP address. Now, like I said, it's this address here that's going to be the one that bans you and blacklists you from certain websites. And those are basically the two IP addresses on your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.